Good evening. My name is Philip Disselcohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Tonight we're going to look at the retraction release. So it's a defense against somebody who grabs your wrist and you're going to pull away and get free. So basically the mechanics. So you're just kind of standing here minding your own business. Somebody grabs you on the wrist. Okay, you want to start off by making a nice tight fist. That will loosen the grip a little bit. Okay, next you're going to do is you're going to twist your hand and then pull back just like that. And then finally, step back like that. So, you're going to make a fist, you're going to rotate, pull back, step back just like that. So, I'm going to put that all together. So, somebody grabs you on the wrist, you're going to just step back and rotate the wrist, and just like so. And then get into a wedge guard, move away. Let's try it on the other side. Okay, grab your left wrist. Okay, you're going to make a nice tight fist. You're going to rotate, pull back. Okay, let's put it all together. Then grab your left wrist, make a nice tight fist, twist, and step back just like that. And then into a wedge guard and move away. Do that one more time on that side. Okay, then grab your left wrist, make a fist, rotate, step back into a wedge guard. Okay, very simple. Okay, Mr. Thompson is going to assist me. Come in and ask. Be my partner. Okay, so Mr. Thompson's going to grab my wrist. Okay, I'm just going to break this up. Okay, make a fist, nice tight fist. I'm going to rotate. Okay, I'm going to pull back and step back like that. Okay, make sure make a nice tight fist. Rotate, pull back, step back. Okay, now I'm going to put it all together. This needs to be done all together. One motion. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my wrist, like so, and into a wedge guard and move away. And actually, let's do that again. Yeah, that elbow comes up right behind. Okay, because you're pulling your partner. Be careful when you do this with a partner. You don't want to hit them in the face with the elbow, but if it's a life or death situation, certainly, yes. So, let's try that again. Okay. And of course, you want to say, let go, nice and loud. When somebody grabs you without your permission, you want to say, let go, just like that. Now let's try it with the eyes closed. Okay. I'm going to close my eyes.
There you are. Either side?
Either side, okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. The thing is, when your eyes are closed, you don't need to see because you know where their hands are. They're right on your wrist, so it's easy to, let's do it one more time. Just like that. And like what I do in class, sometimes I tell the helpers to grab both wrists and see what they do. It's very interesting. Let's try that. And I just like that. Just a little added thing I like to throw in class. Okay, thank you, Mr. Thompson.
Yes, sir.
Okay, important thing is you want to make a fist, you want to rotate that wrist, pull your elbow back, step back into a wedge guard. So nice, hard yank. Just like that, and give away. Okay, so that's the retraction release.